Hello and welcome to your video classes. Welcome to the sentence series. If you want to master the most important aspect of language, watch this series carefully. Today we will discuss about assertive sentence. An assertive or a declarative sentence declares or asserts a statement, opinion, history, etc. An assertive sentence ends with a full stop. Assertive sentences are of two types, namely the affirmative sentence or the positive as we call it, and negative. Assertive sentence is the most used type of sentence. So we must learn few basic construction patterns. First one is subject plus verb. We call it S plus V. Let's see one example. Dog is barking. Your dog is the subject. Is barking is the verb. Now we see the negative of it. Dog is not barking. What did we do? We added not after the auxiliary verb. To make negative, we add not after the auxiliary. Let us see one more sentence. The boy will run. This is an affirmative and the negative will be the boy will not run. The other type is subject plus verb plus object. We call it SVO order. For example, he has lost his watch. He is the subject, has lost verb, and object is his watch. He has lost his watch. Now to make it negative, again the same rule, not after the auxiliary. So the negative will be he has not lost his watch. She was doing exercise. This is an affirmative sentence and its negative will be in the same order. She was not doing exercise. Let's see one more type of framing. It is subject plus verb plus object plus adverb. We call it SVOA. For example, I saw him yesterday. I is the subject, saw is the verb, him object, and yesterday is the adverb. Now, when we want to make a negative of this type of a sentence where we don't have an auxiliary, what we do is we see the verb first. The verb here is saw. That is the V2 form. So what we will do is we take out the do form from it. So since it is a past tense, it becomes did. It will be I did not see him yesterday. One more sentence. He writes a letter neatly. So again from writes we can take out does and the negation will be he does not write a letter neatly. The next type will be subject plus verb plus preposition plus object. We can call it SVPO. For example, he wrote with a pen. He is the subject, wrote verb with preposition, a pen object. Now for negative again we follow the same pattern. We take out did from wrote. It becomes did plus write. He did not write with a pen. Next example. The boy was running on a beach. And its negative will be, we already have an auxiliary here. So the negative will be the boy was not running on a beach. The next type is subject plus verb plus infinitive or gerund plus object. We call it SV, I or G plus O. I want to buy a car. I is the subject, want verb, to buy is an infinitive and a car is an object. Same pattern. For negation, we do I don't want to buy a car. Here we have used don't. You can even use do not want to buy a car. Next sentence. She began dancing. She is the subject, began is the verb and dancing is the gerund. We don't have any object in this sentence. And its negative will be she did not or she didn't begin dancing. There are other structures to make good assertive sentences. We have covered 5 structures and we will quickly revise them. They are subject plus verb, subject plus verb plus object, subject plus verb plus object plus adverb, subject plus verb plus preposition plus object, and the fifth one is subject, verb, infinitive or gerund and object. To check if you have understood the structure of assertive sentence, here are 5 sentences and you can write their structure in the comment box. Keep watching and sharing my videos. Waiting for your comments. Bye.